Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add a new user to Nintendo Switch. So if you want to create a new profile, you can go to the system settings over here, then you need to scroll down to find the user, and then we will find the add user option. So let's go into that. Now over here you have two options. You can either create a new user or you can import a user from another Nintendo Switch console. So in my case I'm just gonna show you how it looks like when you don't need to import. So let's create a new user. Then we need to select any icon that we want to have, or we can use the create own icon button. I'm just gonna quickly choose this one. Now over here we need to enter the nickname, so let's name our new profile. And then we need to confirm that we want to add this user to the console, so let's press OK. Then we can link a Nintendo account, if we have one, to this new user. If not, then we can choose to do that later. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.